Bank reconciliations are one of the processes that can take a lot of time, especially when you're dealing with large volumes of transactions and many-to-one matches. Let's walk through how this works with Claude and Vena. I start in Vena, where I can see I have a task to complete, my bank reconciliation. I open the transaction matching template, which launches in Excel and connects directly to my Vena data. Using the choose box, I apply my selections, and the file populates with my bank statement and transaction data. Normally, this is where the manual work begins, trying to match transactions across sheets, handle many-to-one scenarios, and build out reconciliation logic. Instead, I open Claude and I ask it to perform a many-to-one reconciliation between the bank statement and the transaction sheets, and to put the results in a new worksheet. In a few moments, it creates a fully structured reconciliation sheet. It includes detailed match breakdowns, one-to-one matches with variance checks, unmatched items on both sides, and a full net reconciliation between the GL and the transaction totals. So, instead of building this logic manually, Claude handles the heavy lifting. Next, I ask Claude to summarize the reconciliation. It gives me a clear overview of the results, including key takeaways and areas that need attention, so I can quickly understand what's happening without reviewing every line. And because all of this is happening in Excel, I can actually see how the reconciliation was built, review the logic, and make adjustments if needed, using a format that finance teams already understand. Once I'm satisfied, I save the file back to Vena. The matched results are written back into the database, and Vena also captures a full snapshot of the file, including the reconciliation sheet in its audit trail. So, I have both the outcomes and a complete record of how those results were generated. Claude makes it incredibly fast to perform complex reconciliation and summarize the results. Vena is what makes it connected, governed, and reliable as part of your finance process. That's how you go from manual reconciliation work to something faster, more transparent, and easier to trust. Check out venasolutions.com/venai to learn more.